So we've been feeling a little bored lately of our local hiking area, so we were looking on the All Trails app at some different sort of close hiking trails, and we found this one that looked like it was really pretty called the South Fork Inman Trail. We've been over in this area before when we were kids, but we've never actually hiked this area. So I'll be quiet and let you enjoy this short little video of our hike we did.
Holding on to the hand of self-destruction. Come back to a place that left a long time ago. Give me a sec, smoke this cigarette. Making body feels better stored. What do you do? Pick up my guitar.
Get the stick.
Get a stick, Jack.
Ready?
Too much on your plate.
Oh, that was a terrible throw.
Everything will be better when I'm fine.
Oh, he's got it. Oh, get it. Let's go. Let's go.
Nice.
Let's go.
People leave, do they ever think about you? What I'd say. I still wonder and I
Did you watch Chest to Breathe? Did you? Good, bro. Where's
go
it?
I'll
Go get
ask
her.
you. See, what do you do?
Where's the squirrel? Where's the squirrel?
Pick up my guitar.
Where's the squirrel?
Too much on your plate. Everything will be better when it's done. Find a way.
Crazy. We just gonna hang out and eat the stick? Get it, Rev. Get it.
Eat it, Mama.
Get it, Rev.
What do you do when you pick up the guitar? Too much on your plate when you need to escape. Every little thing will be better when it's mine. Find a way. Lord, Lord, Lord. Find a
Alright, that'll do it for our short little hiking video of the South Fork Inman Trail. If you want to check this trail out yourself, I will leave a link to where it is in the description on the All Trails app. And thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.